We are on automobile air conditioning tips, day 31, brought to you by Timemo Auto Global Limited. And today is on AC maintenance, and the topic is a regular maintenance save money. If you maintain your AC regularly, it will enable you to save money because it will not lead you to expensive repairs due to breakdown because of negligence of not maintaining your AC system. In this part of our country, we value breakdown maintenance or breakdown repairs more than preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is the key. If you carry out preventive maintenance in your air conditioning system, it will save you money. One thing that we normally neglect that the manufacturer recommend is filter dryer. The manufacturer said that every 2 years the filter dryer should be replaced, or anytime the system is open for repairs, for maintenance, for part change, the filter dryer should be replaced because the filter dryer is a safety device to the system. So take note. Always ensure that your evaporator filter is in place and it is clean. If it's not in place, you are exposing your evaporator to early leakage, because evaporator filter is a safety device to your evaporator and also to you, so that you do not get polluted air into your cabin and start inhaling it. Another one is your condenser. Yes, always inspect and be sure that your condenser is clean, most especially if you are driving in a dusty road or living in a dusty area. Your condenser will get choked very fast, and if that happens, it will be stress on the compressor and it will also return heat to the compressor, because your compressor compresses refrigerant to a high pressure and high temperature, then deliver it to your condenser. So it is expected that at the condensing unit, that high temperature of refrigerant should be cooled down, and further help is to change the state from gaseous to liquid before leaving the condenser. So if your condenser fins are being choked up, achieving that phase will be very slim. So always ensure that your condenser is being clean. Another one is checking the system and be sure there is no leak. If there is a leakage in that system, you are also exposing your compressor to leak. Compressor is a moving part. You need oil to lubricate it. It also needs that oil to cool it. So where the refrigerant is leaking out from, oil is also leaking out from there, and it is that oil that's supposed to go back to cool and also lubricate your compressor. So always ensure that your system is free of leak. If not so, it's going to cause you expensive repairs. So the benefit is that it will prevent compressor from damaging if you service your AC regularly. It will also improve the cooling performance. It will reduce fuel consumption. Yes, if your AC is well maintained, it will reduce fuel consumption. As I said before, regular maintenance will help you to detect any leak. Yes, and of course, and lastly on my list, it will extend the component lifespan, or the component lifespan will be extended. So service it today to avoid expensive repairs tomorrow. Remember, knowledge saves cost. Kindly give us a follow. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more automobile air conditioning tips. Stay safe as we see you tomorrow. Thank you.